The only way to import hair presets, outfits, or accessories made from Vroid is to open your local disk, users, your usernames, app data, local low, pixie, Vroid Studio, custom items, and here's the files where you can put Vroid assets, especially hair preset. But now you don't need to do that anymore since Vroid Studio already adding this new feature where you can import and export custom items in face, hairstyle, body, and outfit categories. Right off the bat, we'll already see minor changes where they name the custom item based from categories. Honestly, that's not necessary since we can just hover our mouse like this at the icon and the name would appear. But okay, now I will explain of how to import Vroid asset. I've already downloaded a hair preset that I've got from this boot. After you download, make sure you extract the files from the zip files. Alright, here it is then. Go to import and select the files and find the hair preset that you want to use, and here it is, hair preset. They are in Vroid custom item format. And there we go, we have successfully imported the overall hair. You can wear it now or you can wear it later, but we want to wear this now, so we're going to wear it. There we go, this is our hair right here. Well, how about accessories that were made from hair textures? You can do that just like what I did with the hair. Most of the time accessories are in extra, so we're going to import it in here just like what I did with the hair. I've also downloaded this beautiful earring from the boot. Import and go to the file that you already downloaded. Right here, you can choose any of these and then open. And there we go, we can wear it now or wear it later. Ta-da! Beautiful earrings. Next, I'm going to explain of how to import outfits. Before, we can import only textures in PNG format at the customize edit textures and then import. Now not only can you import the textures, you can even import custom made outfit all together, which means every time you import a custom item, the texture and the parameter outfit that you customize will remain the same. I've already made a top light dress with all doodles. All you need to do is to import the tops right here, open, and there we go, you can wear it now. Ta-da! You don't need to choose templates anymore because it's automatically do it for you. Alright, now we know how to import Vroid asset. Let's move on with export Vroid asset. For hairstyles, you can just export it by right-click it, and you can save the hair that you made inside Vroid Studio table. Unlike other previous version where you need to save the Vroid model in Vroid file first, for outfit right here, you can just export by right-click it, save and export custom item, and here is you can save it as Vroid custom item and not in PNG format anymore. Now, there might be one or two questions that you might want to ask or might be thinking like, okay, since Vroid Studio already have these import-export features, can we import hair preset that we make in Vroid Studio Beta? And the answer is no, you can't. You see, the hair that was from Vroid Studio Beta are not compatible with Vroid Studio Stable. You need to do it manually, which is to save the model in Vroid file format, close the Vroid Studio Beta, open the Vroid Studio Stable, open the files, and convert the model. And yeah, it's really hassle dealing with that. Okay, so we're done with the hair. So how about the outfits? Okay, here's the situation. What if you want to import a t-shirt but you put them in wrong categories? For example, you want to import the top but you accidentally go to dress section right here and you import them right here. Well, even if you put them in the wrong categories, Vroid Studio will automatically place the outfit that you import to the right categories, so you don't need to worry about that. Alright, before I want to end this video, I just want to say thank you so much to Vroid Studio Team Developer for not only that I can create my own 3D avatar, but I can also create my VTubers friends in 3D model and other things that I want to make only in Vroid Studio. Right now, they are celebrating their 4th anniversary. It's been 2 or 3 years since I started my journey as a VTuber using this avatar right here. So previously my avatar looked like this, which is default looking model that I feel like now look at me. Now I'm here still using Vroid Studio. I will continue to create more 3D model. Once again, thank you for your hard work for the past years. I can't wait to see what kind of new features they want to add. Overall, this new feature is really good. Not only is it easy to use, but it actually saves our time. No need to open app data or to open other Vroid file. You just to save hair preset. And yes, I like these new features too. That's all the video for today. Goodbye and I'll see you later. Bye.